Hey everyone, Ron this side. In this video, we are going to discuss, and I will show you each and everything about 10 web AI builder tutorial for beginners. In this guide, you will learn how to create a professional website in minute using AI powered tools, no coding required. Whether you're launching a blog, portfolio, or business site, 10 web intuitive platform make it very effortlessly. Now let's get started. For those who don't know what is 10 Web, AI Builder is a revolutionary tool that uses artificial intelligence to design and customize website based on your needs. And there's a lot of things. So first of all, without wasting any time, just go to Google, search for 10 Web AI Builder. Now click on Get Started for free on the top right side corner. Right now here you will get two or three options. Create a new website with AI, convert a non-WordPress site to the WordPress with AI, migrate. So obviously I will just go with a simple one, which is called create a new website with AI. Now here you have to give a prompt, right? So the prompt, to make a prompt, it's really easy. I will show you how you can make your own prompt in a really easy way. So let's just go to ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT and just give right here, give me a prompt to make a simple, elegant fashion e-commerce website. You can replace this up with, for example, let's say you want to make, if you want to go with a normal landing page, let's say real estate, a portfolio, you can just write it. And sometimes it will show you something like this. So you can write here, just give me only prompt, and you can press the enter and it will just give you the prompt here, right? And you have to exactly copy this. I will copy here and I will just paste it here and click on generate. So you can just make it short and click on generate. Now it will take you to a new page here, and you can see here this is the exact prompt which I gave, and 10 web will take a few minutes to create your complete website. As you can see here, it is creating the backend, right? And how it will get integrated here. It is adding a pages, as I told, to create a very clean and very simple form of thing here. So you can see here, this is a home page. Header, this is a discover model lux. So you can see this is a brand name, the right. I can just go and click on add new sections if I want. I can even delete this. I can just move it. Let's say I just want, for example, shop our collection to the top. So I can just even move it like this, right? Now this is a home page. Now after that, there's a feature style, the product, explore our brand, and there's a footer. Now these are the pages. So this is about us, right? And let's say I want about us at the end. So I can just move it like this, click and hold, and just put it at the end, right? Now you can see here women clothing, accessories. I don't want accessories. I will just delete this part. I don't want a shoes too. There's a spring essentials, okay, evening wear, and about us. Right now you can see here, once we are okay with it, you can just add more pages. Inside more pages, you can customize however you want, right? Now once you're okay with it, let's go and click on next. Now this is not the final website, but this is the contact page, and you can see here this is just a normal, a mock-up to preview. And here they are given the text and font here. Now I want to add a different set of colors. You can see here this is a different, very simple colors. So I can give my own colors. Let's say minimalistic. So this is minimalistic, flat, classic. I want minimalistic here, and I want this set of colors, very simple. And let's say this pinkish is also fine. Now I will just go and click on generate once you're okay with it, right? Now within just few seconds you have to wait, and it will create it. In between it will ask you to continue with Google or just create an account. So I will just create an account with my normal ID, normal Gmail ID here. Now click on continue, and you can see here the backend, it has made our website. And you can see here the percentage goes up to 100%, then our website are done. So I will just pause this video here once it make it to the 100%. Now our website is ready. I will just go and click on preview and exit. Damn, this is too good, right? And you can see here this is our logo, and it also gives us an option to edit this up, right? So let's first of all preview this. You can see here there's a very nice, elegant, very simplistic transition between the images in the background. Obviously we can change it. I can make it more aesthetic, and somehow I removed this shoe section, but it is still there. Maybe I forgot to save it up. I don't know, there's accessories, the women clothing, and you can see here the product. I didn't added any product here, but still there's some preset product. I can obviously replace this up. Now if I want to swipe here, you can see here there's a very simple, right? And you can see here our esteemed partners. Okay, somehow it created some of these random names here. Exclusive offers awaits you. I don't know from where they are taking this image, but these images are not very high quality, but somehow it created really good, right? And you can see here everything. Now I just want to, okay, so how was your free trial? It's okay, and we have to pay for it, but I just want to close it right now. I'll just go and click on edit your website, but for that I want to check the accessories. If I just go and click on shop, will it show me some of the accessories? Oh yes, it's showing, and it's pretty nice. Now here it gave a really nice, you can see here there's a price range. So for example, I want to buy, I have a budget of $2,000, right? I can set it here, and there should an option of $2,000. Okay, it's showing me, let's say I have only price range of 48, and it's showing me only 48. Yes, this filters really works. Now you can see here I selected 5,000, so it showed me all this stuff here. I want to check only evening wear, but this is accessories section. Still it's showing me the evening wear. Right now this is the three menu bars which I created, I mean which I gave it, right? And this is the something like this. Let's say I want to click on this product, and are there any more images? Okay, so the mouse movement is pretty good, and there's only one image. Obviously we can add more, we can change the quantity directly from here. This is the name, this is one of the sections, this is just a short description. Click on add to cart. Now I want to check the add to cart here, and once I added a product, automatically it showed me the cart section. Let's click on view cart. Okay, so this is pretty nice, and there were, I added full quantity, and so that's why it showed me. So let's go and click on proceed to checkout. I haven't added any kind of integration with the Stripe, nothing, but let me see how it goes. So I need to fill up the details, and let's click on pay now. Okay, so without adding something here, if I just click on pay now, it gave me some kind of error. Okay, there's so many things I didn't add it here. Okay, so the website is working, functioning pretty well. Now let's go to the account section. Okay, I can register myself here, and I can log in into, I can create my own account. If I click on this logo, it should take me to the home page. So okay, it's taking me to the home page, and if I just go and click on shop now, it should take me to the exactly the same product here. Okay, this is a dead click, it's taking me nothing here. That's fine. Now let's go and check the phone version. The phone version is not laggy, very simple, pretty cool. This is looking nice. I want to check the footer. So let's say, is it accepting anything? So let's say 123 add gmail.com. Click on subscribe. Okay, it didn't give me anything like thanks for subscribing, nothing. Okay, that's fine. Will it? Okay, so it's working. I mean, I thought I will add anything and it will accept it now. Okay, so this is pretty cool, and I can even just go and customize here, right? And I can change the text, and I can just do more customization, but the real customization start. But before moving, I'll just also want to check the about us. I think they have created, oh, the about us is really good, founded in 2023. I didn't give anything prompt like this, but still. Okay, so this is me, and it has created AI generated images, which is pretty cool, pretty nice. Now let's move to the edit your website. To edit my website, I just need to pay them, and then I can just edit it completely, right? Then I can enjoy the free for 7 days, and if I really like, I can integrate my domain. Another thing now, although I can just edit here, for example, let's say I want to edit my logos, so I can edit this up, but obviously it's asking me to change all this stuff here. Now let's say I want to change the color, will it work or not? I guess no. So I need to buy the subscription, but I think this is enough to show you guys that how powerful 10 web AI is to the website builder. And this is not a gimmick, this is 100% true, and this is really crazy. So thanks for watching this video, and make sure you edit your website if you're ready to go with 10 web. And if you have any kind of comments or any kind of doubts, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, subscribe.